We got a milk cow back in March. She had a calf 1st of June, and we started milking. We're in with another farm, a partnership deal on the milk cow, and we just weaned the calf, and now we're getting a lot more milk and a lot more cream, and it's time to start making butter. We've been making cheese and yogurt and a lot of those things with the milk, and now we've got an excess of cream, and it's time to try butter. We don't have a butter churn, and so we're going to try it with just using a mixer and see what happens. It's the first time for us, so we'll see where this goes. So what we have is just over a quart of cream. I've let it set out on the counter to warm up. It's 56, 57 degrees. And from what I've read on the internet, it seems that that's about the right temperature. So we'll just pour it in the bowl. Start the mixer and see what happens. In 4 minutes we have really, really heavy whipped cream. It's been about 6 minutes and I'm starting to see some buttermilk. Just under 8 minutes and we have butter and buttermilk. Now we've got all the way the liquid buttermilk, I guess, and they say to drain it off and save it. This leaves us a bowl of butter. And a bowl of buttermilk. The next step in the process is to wash the butter to get the buttermilk out of it so that it will last longer. With buttermilk in the butter, it will cause the butter to spoil much quicker. You should continue rinsing and draining until the water that you're rinsing with becomes clear, and then you've got all of the buttermilk out of the butter. water here is staying fairly clear compared to the first two rinses. This is the third rinse, and so I would say we're good to go. You can shape it into whatever molds you have available. Leave it like it is. The final step in the butter making process is to add salt. Its main purpose is to act as a preservative. Get as much of the buttermilk out of the butter as you can, and then I'm going to add probably just shy of a teaspoon of salt, using pink Himalayan salt, and just work it in very well. And that should do it. I think I'm going to put this in a couple of half-pint jars. Went and got a set of scales. We have 12.6 ounces of butter out of just over a quart of heavy cream. Not too bad for a first try. Let's go meet Rosie the milk cow and her calf chaos. This is Rosie, Jersey milk cow. And this is Chaos, a little bull calf. He's about 3 days being separated from mom, and he's not very happy. But he's a fine looking calf. I'm Mark from Red Duchess Farm. Thanks for watching.